What to eat and drink after a juice cleanse. Tips to ease your way back to your regular healthy diet. Number 1. Eat whole foods. Eating whole foods provide way more of the nutrients that benefit your body. Number 2. Incorporate lots of fruits and veggies. Try to work 2 servings of fruit and 3 to 5 servings of vegetables into your meals each day. Number 3. Eat healthy fats. Healthy fats are good to incorporate into your diet. Number 4. Watch and reduce your sugar intake. Number 5. Avoid coffee and other caffeine. Reintroduce caffeine back into your diet slowly, starting with half a cup per day. Number 6. Skip happy hour. Wait at least a week before reintroducing alcohol into your diet. Number 7. Drink lots of water. Keeping hydrated will help improve digestion and keep your body running smoothly. Thanks for watching. Never forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.